What are you doing?
We are kneading the dough for the Timpano base and cover. A little sticky, but we're gonna bring it to life, kneading it in some flour. And I have to do this for 10 minutes. Let me get a little flour on it, a little sticky. Gotta do this for 10 minutes. And then afterwards, we're going to use a rolling pin to make our really thin layer of dough that goes on the bottom. And then the top of the Timpano. And there, going on 3 hours, is the homemade sauce with spare ribs and stewing beef, garlic, onion, wine, simmering away.